Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the Free Fire gaming performance of the Redmi A5. Now, as you can see, I have already installed the app on my smartphone. Now, in today's video, we will test the Free Fire performance on the Redmi A5 on Ultra Graphics and normal FPS. Now, the gaming performance of Free Fire on the Redmi A5 is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any frame rate drop while playing the game on this smartphone. And this is the gaming performance of Free Fire on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.